Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the precise activity your trade license must cover and why that matters for inspections and zoning. Once done, assemble ID, proof of address, business name registration, and the exact fee. Have payment ready. Next, choose the licensing route: local office for in-person verification or the online portal to save time. Note typical processing times in days. Do this now, don't delay, because early submission prevents rejected filings and speeds up approvals. You fill the application carefully. Accuracy reduces back-and-forth and inspection delays. Make sure names, dates, and classification codes match supporting documents. Mismatches trigger rejection. Once completed, attach scans of ID, lease or property consent, any safety certificates, layout drawings, and the payment receipt. Then pay the fee and retrieve the receipt and reference number. Store them where you can access quickly. This step is critical because verified submissions move into scheduling for inspection. You should prepare the premises for inspection. Check safety items, required signage, and any listed measurements so officers find compliance at the visit. Once approved, display the license where regulators and customers can see it, and calendar renewals. Late renewals risk fines. If the application is rejected, read the deficiency list carefully, fix each item, and resubmit within the stipulated timeframe. Make sure to include any corrected documents and reference the original application number to speed reconsideration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.